Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious berry chicken salad as well as this delicious, amazing mango dragon fruit lemonade. So let's get right into it and we're going to get to it. So of course I'm going to make my walnuts, candied walnuts from scratch. You know the tea, okay? These are the walnuts I'm using. You can use pecans or your favorite nut, it's fine. But I'm using walnuts. I'm going to add my walnuts to the pan with a skillet. Make sure you use a non-stick or something that's, I'm going to add sugar, butter, and water. And you want to simmer this down until it becomes nice and sticky. Also, I wanted to say happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. Keep showing up and being present in your children's lives. So happy Father's Day to everyone, including Peanut's daddy. And yeah, so these are what your nuts should look like. I'm going to sprinkle it with some coarse kosher salt right at the end. And then once that's done, I'm just going to remove it from the mixture. You don't want to just pour it out, because you have a lot of sugar crystals. So you just want to remove it and put it on parchment paper. So this is the spices I'll be using to season my chicken, but you can use whatever you have in your house. Now, usually when I season chicken, y'all know the most I'll use is probably 2 spices. But because this is not getting a sauce or anything like that, it's just going to get a quick sear, not a quick sear, but a sear, and it's done. I wanted to make sure I liberally seasoned it. But again, use whatever you want. So I have 4 nice sized chicken breasts here. They're not small at all. And I'm probably going to cook it for maybe 5 to 6 minutes per side on the stovetop. It's 102 degrees in Texas. I'm not turning on the air fryer nor the oven. But you can use the oven for sure. And of course, the air fryer. It's like my favorite tool in the house. So here I have my stove on medium heat, and I'm going to add my chicken breasts to room temperature. Do not cook cold chicken breasts. They've been sitting on my counter, I think minimum maybe 45 minutes. That's the minimum. It probably was longer. Okay, do not cook cold chicken breasts. Look at that, Sarah. Period. Okay. So once I get that nice and cooked up, I allow them to rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what it looked like. Perfectly cooked chicken breast through and through, not overly cooked, nice and moist. And I didn't cut the second one because I'm going to use that for meal prep this week, and I don't want it to dry out. So I have a bed of romaine lettuce here. You can use whatever lettuce you prefer, any greens you prefer. And this is a berry chicken salad, so I'm going to add my chopped strawberries all around, all over. This salad is great for meal prep. You can just make the ingredients in separate Tupperware bowls, and then you just throw it together for lunch, dinner, whatever. And these are the candied walnuts. As you can see, they don't have too much of the candy sugar crystals on there because you removed it and put it on the parchment paper individually. Okay. Next, I'm going to add the salad dressing that I'm choosing to use. I did not make it from scratch today, like I said. But you can make yours from scratch, or you can use the dressing that you prefer. I sprinkled it with salt and pepper. By the way, this salad was so good, you guys. Like, especially with the walnuts. If I was to buy the walnuts candied or whatever, that would have cost me the entire ingredients for just to make the salad. And now I can make tons of walnuts if I want to. So it's cost efficient as well. So once I add my beautifully cooked chicken, I'm going to sprinkle on some more feta cheese. Don't put too much. Don't overdo it, okay? Because it is a little salty. I drizzle some more of the dressing over top. I use some robust Italian dressing, but use what you want. And this is what the salad looks like. It was so delicious, you guys, and beautiful, pretty, perfect for summer. It's like the best summer salad. It's light, it's delicious, and I hope y'all give it a try. Now let's get into this drink. I have dragon fruit here. I have lemonade. You could buy it or you can make it. And I have some mango puree. All that is a peeled, chopped up mango that I put in my blender and blended it. If you have a food processor, use that. That's all that is. There's nothing else there. This is just mango. Straight up mango. Nothing else. And I'm going to put some in the bottom of the glass like I'm doing here. I wanted to make a custom drink because I feel like I needed to balance this video out. So I said, let me make my people a drink real quick. So I'm then going to layer it with the lemonade. And then I'm going to top it with the dragon fruit pieces. Yes, with my clean hands. I prefer to work with my hands, you guys. It's so much faster and easier. And I'm going to pile dragon fruit right all over top. And look how beautiful. Oh, seriously. And this drink was just so good. It was delicious. The dragon fruit pieces were delicious and refreshing. Like I said, it's so hot in Texas right now. And this was just perfect. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.